Hello everyone! I recently got this new set of pastel white nights watercolors. This isn't the box they came in, but that's the box I plan to use for them because it works. Just a cute little mint box. So anyway, first let's open these up and I will swatch them out. So this one is coral. I like to stick these in my sketchbook after I get them, just because it's fun and then you won't forget exactly what colors they are. Okay. Ooh, that is pretty. These are very interesting. They're very opaque. They're almost like gouache. I'm also swatching them into this so that whenever I want to use them, I have a reference to see exactly how they'll look when they dry. So let's go to the rose quartz. Beautiful. This one is pink peony. Lovely. Okay, so this says royal blue. I love this color. Lavender. And then the last one, lilac. Okay, now that is a beautiful set. Oh my goodness. Very, very pretty. So I'm gonna let these dry, and we'll see how much they really change. Because you can see they are considerably lighter actually as they dry, or before they dry, and then when they dry they're a little bit darker. That's the way it goes sometimes. Sometimes watercolors dry lighter, so yeah, I feel like these are acting a lot more like gouache because they're definitely have like an opaque quality. Pretty cool. I think I'm going to figure out a painting to do with this, but something that's not normally these colors, like a nature scene or something. This ought to be fun. What's up? Okay, so fast forward like a week, maybe less than a week, I don't know. I realized that this set that I bought did not have some of the nude colors, some of the pastel colors. I don't know why they would just sell these ones and not these other ones. So I bought them individually on eBay. So let's check these out too. And of course, you know, since I wasn't expecting to do this like this, I'm gonna have to spill over to this page. So right now we'll do mint. So pretty. So these are all are not going to fit in this tin anymore. I'm kind of bummed about it because that was perfect. There's like an odd amount. Not sure what to do. Okay, so this is a peach. Let's see how this one dries because this is very different than the original. Let's see if this even fits in here. Look how pretty that is all together. And then we have dunes. I don't even know. It would be nice to have this color in this set, but at the same time, I feel like it almost doesn't fit. So maybe I won't keep it in this pack. I'll decide later. But look, this is not the most beautiful thing you've ever seen. My goodness. Okay, so now on to paint something with these. So I decided to do a picture of a rock formation from our trip to Joshua Tree Park a couple weeks ago. I took this little Polaroid and with full intentions of sketching it, but I wasn't sure if how I was gonna sketch it. So this is what I'm doing. Sorry about the lighting here. I have my table in front of the window, but one of my blinds is broken, so whenever I put it down, I can't change it a lot to keep the sun out. But just pretend it's a nice sunny day and you're feeling the warmth as you paint. So I wanted to make sure I used all the colors in some way. So I divided up in my brain the lights and the darks and just chose what colors I would represent, you know, the lightest parts and the darkest parts, even though it didn't necessarily make sense because they don't have a lot of contrast between them. So I thought, well, I'm just going to make this up. So I chose the peach color as the lightest parts where the sun would be shining. I tried not to get too wrapped up in it though. I just wanted this to be fun and just kind of an exercise and a way to get used to these new watercolors. I really, really love the milky consistency of these. They definitely remind me of gouache. Very opaque, but you know, you can water them down enough that they're very transparent too. It's just, they're really versatile. So yeah, I highly recommend these watercolors just if you are bored and you want to change it up or try something new. I personally love White Nights watercolors. They are my absolute favorite. They're very vivid and just gorgeous. So highly recommend, check them out. I hope you're hanging in there during your time at home, and I encourage you all to make some art and get some projects done that you've been putting off for a long, long time. It's the perfect time to do that. Let me know what kind of art projects you're working on and how things are going in your little solitary world of social distancing. I know I feel weird. I feel like I'm on vacation, even though I'm definitely not. There's really not that much difference between my normal life, but for some reason it's throwing me off. But you know, I managed to get this video done, so A+. Thanks for joining me again, and please subscribe if you haven't. Check out my other social medias such as Instagram and Facebook, and join me on Patreon for more videos, some how to paint with me videos, and other super fun rewards. Thanks guys, have a great day. Bye.